Curve Alpha Brush creates hair strand shape geometry along an editable curve. Change the look of your strand by selecting a different alpha. Push, pull, and extend the editable curve as needed. When done, click anywhere on your masked mesh to commit. Curve Alphas allows the creation of multiple editable curve strands. Any edits made will affect all active curves. Lower the auto snap tolerance for extending your curves by opening the stroke menu and expanding the Curves Modifiers tab. Next, lower the curve snap distance here. Now you can make curve strokes close to one another.